Hi, I'm Dean Fournier, LORAC's Pro Lead Artist, and I'm here to talk to you about one of my go-to eye looks, the Bronze Smokey Eye. Reason being is that it truly does look good on everybody, no matter what their age, no matter what their style. So let's get started. To start, we're going to take what I call a transition shade. So this shade is like a light brown, so this is going to help to blend that bronze. I'm going to take it here, in that outer corner, build that into the crease. Take a blender brush, blend those edges, just soften it. You can see this is really soft, right? It's barely there, but once you put on that bronze, it just frames it so well and just makes the blending so much easier. Then you're gonna wanna take a precision brush and you're gonna go back into that transition shade underneath the lash line. Again, this is just gonna help that bronze. It's like you're laying the groundwork, essentially, for the bronze shade. You also, too, what I like to do is I like to really make sure that I connect that bottom lash line to the top lash line. This really helps frame the eye. Take your blender brush again, and run that underneath. Now we are ready to move on to that bronze shade. And I like to use a flat brush because when you use like a more flat, dense brush, it actually helps to deposit more of the color, so it's a lot easier because you're just laying this all over the lid, so it just blends really easily. And the cool thing about the Pro Formula eyeshadows is you can actually use them wet, so if you want to make this more intense, you absolutely can. And the cool thing about bronze, unlike a black smoky eye or like even a dark brown smoky eye, is that this looks good on everyone. Another thing that I love about a bronze smoky eye is that it can really be daytime or nighttime. We're gonna add a little bit of liner to kind of make it more of a nighttime, but it's really versatile in that sense. And there's just something so chic about bronze, you know, no matter what event you're going to, whether it's work or something in the evening, it just works with everything. Going back in with that smaller precision brush, work that underneath. Now, you're gonna be so surprised when you use bronze on your bottom lash line because it actually will bring out the color of your eye. And now you can just like clean up the edges too. You can use a little concealer, you can use a little powder. When in doubt, just blend and blend and blend more, just to make sure. Don't want any harsh edges. Just gonna do a little small layer wet. You just wanna use your brush, dampen it. You can like just run it underneath your sink if you want to. You can have like a little bit in the palm of your hand. You don't want your brush to be too saturated. And you just wanna put this kind of near the lash line. And that just amps it up a little more. So like you could do it dry during the day and then do it wet at night. Next, for like a little pop of highlight, we're gonna take the lighter shade just on that inner corner. And I like to blend it with my finger just so that so it just melts into the skin and just blends seamlessly with the bronze. This is like a nice light pearl. So if you want to, you can use a little bit of black liner in the waterline during the day, or if that's like kind of your transition from day to night, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. See, now it's getting like really sultry now that you've put in that black eyeliner. Now you wanna finish off with a jet black mascara. You really wanna pump up those lashes for this look. Make sure you're starting with a really effective primer first. Okay, and finishing off with a matte lip. And there you have it, a great new twist on a smoky eye.